The year was 1991. Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist at CERN, unveiled the world's first website. It was a simple text-based page hosted on a Next computer. This marked the birth of the World Wide Web, a system for sharing information across a network of computers. Few could have predicted the seismic shift this invention would trigger. The Internet, a network of networks connecting computers globally, had existed for decades, primarily used by researchers and the military. But the web, with its user-friendly interface, held the promise of democratizing information and connecting people like never before. Little did we know, this humble beginning would evolve into a boundless digital universe, reshaping every facet of our lives. The Internet's roots can be traced back to the 1960s with the creation of ARPANET, a project funded by the US Department of Defense. ARPANET aimed to connect researchers across different locations, enabling them to share information and collaborate on projects. This decentralized network proved remarkably resilient, laying the foundation for the Internet as we know it. In the 1980s, the invention of the Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, or TCP/IP, provided a common language for computers to communicate with each other. This paved the way for the Internet's global expansion, connecting universities, research institutions, and eventually, the public. With the advent of the World Wide Web, the Internet transformed from a niche technology to a global phenomenon. People flocked to online forums, email became the preferred mode of communication, and e-commerce began to take shape. The digital age had truly begun. The early Internet was a chaotic, sprawling landscape of information. Navigating this digital Wild West was a daunting task. Then came Google. Founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google revolutionized how we access information. Their innovative PageRank algorithm ranked websites based on the number and quality of links they received, providing users with the most relevant search results. Google quickly became the go-to search engine, making information readily accessible to millions worldwide. Google's influence extended beyond search, email, online productivity tools, mobile operating systems. Google's tentacles reached into every corner of the digital world, solidifying its position as a tech titan. The dawn of the 21st century witnessed the rise of social media. Platforms like MySpace, Facebook, and Twitter emerged, connecting people across geographical boundaries like never before. Friendships were forged, communities were built, and information spread like wildfire. Social media became the new public square, a digital agora where people shared their thoughts, opinions, and experiences. It gave a voice to the voiceless, empowered activism, and fueled social movements. However, this interconnectedness came with a price. Concerns about privacy, misinformation, and the spread of hate speech began to surface, highlighting the double-edged sword of social media's pervasive influence. Section 5. Entertainment on demand, the streaming surge. The Internet's impact on entertainment has been nothing short of transformative. Streaming services like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube revolutionized how we consume media. No longer bound by scheduled programming, consumers could access a vast library of movies, music, and videos on demand. This shift to on-demand entertainment disrupted traditional media models. Cable subscriptions dwindled as streaming services offered greater flexibility and a wider selection of content. The Internet had democratized entertainment, empowering consumers and reshaping the media landscape. The rise of streaming also created new avenues for content creators. Independent filmmakers, musicians, and artists could bypass traditional gatekeepers and reach global audiences directly through platforms like YouTube and SoundCloud. Section 6. Artificial Intelligence, the Rise of Thinking Machines. Artificial intelligence, or AI, the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, has rapidly evolved from a futuristic concept to a tangible reality. AI algorithms now power our search engines, recommend products, and even drive our cars. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables computers to learn from data without explicit programming. This has led to breakthroughs in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. The implications of AI are far-reaching, with the potential to revolutionize healthcare, transportation, and countless other industries. However, the rapid advancement of AI also raises concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the ethical considerations of increasingly intelligent machines. Section 7. Stepping into the Metaverse. A new reality dawns. The Metaverse, a collective term for immersive, interactive digital environments, is touted as the next evolution of the Internet. Picture a network of interconnected virtual worlds where users can interact with each other, participate in experiences, and even conduct business. Driven by advancements in virtual reality and augmented reality technologies, the Metaverse promises to blur the lines between the physical and digital realms. Imagine attending virtual concerts, trying on clothes in virtual dressing rooms, or collaborating with colleagues in virtual workspaces. While still in its nascent stages, the Metaverse has the potential to reshape how we work, play, and interact with each other. However, questions about accessibility, privacy, and the potential for exacerbating existing social inequalities remain. Section 8. The Internet's impact shaping society and culture. The Internet's impact on society and culture has been profound and multifaceted. It has democratized information, facilitated global communication, and fostered new forms of creativity and expression. Social movements have harnessed the power of the Internet to organize, mobilize, and advocate for change. The way we work, learn, and consume entertainment has been irrevocably altered. Remote work and online education have become increasingly common, breaking down geographical barriers and offering greater flexibility. E-commerce has transformed retail, providing consumers with unprecedented convenience and choice. However, alongside its many benefits, the Internet has also brought challenges. The spread of misinformation, the erosion of privacy, and the rise of cyberbullying are just some of the issues we grapple with in an increasingly digitized world. Section 9. The road ahead, future terrors or limitless potential. The Internet's journey from a niche technology to an indispensable part of our lives has been nothing short of remarkable. As we stand at the cusp of a new era, the question arises, what does the future hold for this ever-evolving digital landscape? Will artificial intelligence surpass human intelligence, leading to a dystopian future where machines rule? Will the Metaverse become an escape from reality, further isolating us from each other? Or will technology continue to empower us, connecting us in ways we never thought possible and solving some of the world's most pressing problems? The future of the Internet is not predetermined. It is a reflection of the choices we make today. By embracing a future-minded perspective, fostering digital literacy, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the Internet's transformative power for the betterment of humanity.